Hi and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Pathway to Success and Happiness. In this video, I'll tell you what are the effective ways of maintaining an attitude in achieving your successful goals and how attitude is everything. And let's begin now. Attitude is everything because it has changed most of the people's life for the better. And yet, in my travels, people come up to me and say, sure, attitude is important, but is it everything? Well, think about it. But I truly believe that it is. Let me tell you, how is that? For instance, let's take a very simple definition of a positive attitude. First of all, people with a positive attitude are optimistic. That is, they focus on can instead of can't. So that is having a positive attitude in you. Without a positive attitude, you can't achieve success. Your attitude is the starting point for your success and fulfillment. Now, let us examine how your attitude activates. So the first one is confidence. Can you be confident if you're not optimistic? I don't believe so. A confident person believes in his or her abilities with the expectation of achieving success. So try to be confident in whatever step or action you take towards your career. The second one is persistence. We all know that the value of making repeated attempts until we reach our objective. Why on earth would you persist if you didn't believe you'd succeed in the long run? Optimism leads to persistence. Negative people give up at the first sign of trouble because they feel there's no use in making further efforts. No, you shouldn't have that negativity in you. You must be dedicated to your goals. Third one is resiliency. Getting back on your feet when you've been knocked down. That is, even after a small difficulty befalls you, you get back to your focus on your goal. Those who are negative get even more pessimistic when things don't go as planned. Positive people get frustrated temporarily and then they look for the opportunity or learning that comes from adversity. Even I've realized that the positive people believe that everything happens for a reason. This approach helps them to overcome setbacks and go with the flow. The fourth one is courage. There's no success without courage. When you believe that you can do something, you have the courage to move forward despite being afraid. Negative people, on the other hand, tend to back away from their fears and thus damage their potential. The fifth one is enthusiasm and energy. Show me a person with a dynamic, positive attitude and I'll show you a person who's energetic and in chance inspired about what he or she is doing. How many negative people do you know that you describe as energetic and enthusiastic? How many negative people do you look forward to being around just because they give you such a boost each time you're with them? None, I'll bet. None, I'll bet. Negativity is an energy drain, while optimism is an energy enhancer. The sixth one is health. This is one of those relationships that you have experienced for yourself to appreciate. We all know at times in our lives when we got sick because we were under significant stress and consumed with negativity. The moment you change your attitude, your health improves. The seventh one is encouraging others. As you begin to see and use more of your own potential, you're also able to see the greatness that lies within each individual. You have the faith in the ability of others and they pick up on that. So try to encourage others in their success. The eighth one is gratitude. Positive people appreciate everything more. An attitude of gratitude means making it a habit to express thankfulness and appreciation in all parts of your life. This is how attitude means everything. I think you would agree that this is a pretty impressive list of characteristics, and the way to access all of them is to build a more positive attitude. Never forget that your attitude is a choice that you make every day. Decide to build an unshakable positive attitude. In the end, I think that you too will find that attitude is everything. Subscribe to my channel Pathway to Success and Happiness so that I'll guide you in your pathway to success. Thanks for watching.